Hi, in this video I will show you some free and public datasets that you can use for your data analytics or business intelligence portfolio project. The government data is really good because you can connect inside to current events. So let's drink a bit of coffee and go for it. On the data.gov.uk you can find data published by the UK government. You can either search for your data or you can check some categories they have here. For example, if you go for health, and let's go for the first one. If you scroll down, you can see the data here and the CSV file format. So you can just click to download your data. On the data.gov, you can find data published by the United States government. It's the same idea as the previous website. You can either search for your data or you can check some categories here, like for example, the most viewed data set, and you already can see some formats available and you can click on to download your data. On the FBI website, you can find some crime data. You just need to click on the Crime Data Explorer. And then here on Data Explorer, you can see, let's for example, click on crime. You have some filters on the left side and you can select, let's say, I don't know, something you want to see, and you can search by state. So let's keep like this, the filter. If you click on here, you can download the CSV file as well. The next one is the NASA data. So you can see here the data catalog. So if you click on, there is an option for you to select the data format. Let's select, for example, the CSV file, and then you see like a bunch of data. You just need to click on to download your data. The next one is the National Center for Education Statistics. You just need to click on the data frame. You have some filters on the left side as well. After you select the filters on the left side, it will show like a data preview, and then if you scroll down, you'll be able to download the file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do a project with public data so I can show you all my data process. Thanks for watching.